In this guide, we're going over how the skill tree and stats work here in Paradox and which ones are the very best and ones that you should start using. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now first, you don't just unlock skills by leveling stats, you actually need to complete missions and increase your potential to earn skill points, and then go to your stats menu and invest those points into a tree like Hakuda, Speed, Sword, or Keto. At certain points, like 5, 10, or 15, you actually unlock access to skills, but to actually use them, you're going to need items like skill cores, crystals, or gems. Now, for the very best, and we'll go ahead and start with C tier and work our way up to S tier. C tier is going to be the wizard skills. They're more like extra abilities that kind of affect the main build, but they're not too strong. For B tier, we have universal skills, which is just useful add-ons, but not strong alone. For, continuing on in that B tier, we have Quincy Keto, which is a decent range skill, but it does have some limited options. For A tier, we have a few, starting off with Soul Reaper Keto. It's balanced with stuns and utility. You also have a Rancor Keto, which is strong early game with range and pressure, and of course Sword as well, which is solid damage, and it's simple and reliable. Finally, with S tier, we have Speed, which obviously mobility is great, fast attacks is great, and it's strong for PvP, and Hakuda, which is high damage, fast combos, and it's extremely strong close range. To get these skill items, you just gotta progress through missions and fight bosses like Kusuke at certain points and certain potential levels. But the process really is as simple as that. The main idea is just pick a strong key like Hakuda or Speed and then upgrade your stats and make sure your items are stuff that you actually need. But the process really is as simple as that. If you guys have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.